Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download X, Twitter, for affiliate link growth step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Twitter website or app. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the platform interface. Identify your target audience for affiliate marketing. Create a content strategy centered around your niche. Start by tweeting engaging content relevant to your audience. Use trending hashtags to increase visibility. Develop eye-catching visuals to accompany your tweets. Include your affiliate links in your tweets strategically. Shorten your affiliate links to make them more manageable. Consider creating a landing page that adds value to your links. Promote exclusive deals or promotions from your affiliate partners. Utilize Twitter polls or questions to boost engagement. Engage with your followers by responding to comments. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Schedule tweets for optimal posting times using scheduling tools. Analyze your Twitter analytics to monitor engagement and growth. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected. Stay consistent with your posting schedule for sustained growth. Regularly refresh your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Continue to learn and adapt to Twitter's evolving features. Focus on building genuine relationships within your niche. Utilize Twitter Spaces for live discussions and brand exposure. Join relevant Twitter communities to connect with like-minded individuals. Monitor competitor strategies for insights and inspiration. Promote your Twitter profile on other social media platforms for increased traffic. Remember to remain authentic and transparent about your affiliate links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.